Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Today you can see in my shop this 2005 Toyota Corolla. She has 135,000 miles odometer only, relatively low miles. And it came because the owner said he has a airbag light on. And you all know what we gotta do in this situation, correct? We have to go and confirm that it's really true. So let's go and hop in and see if he's right or what's going on. So if you put the whole key on, you can see all the light. To see if the airbag will stay, you have to start up the vehicle. So everything what is good should go away, and I can see that we have a seat belt flashing, which is pretty annoying. Let me get rid of it, but it's right, there is that airbag light clearly on. Okay, confirmed. So it's obvious something's going on. Our next step is to locate the connector for a scanner, that OBD2 connector. They're normally hiding underneath the dashboard, and look at it. We got it. I got this in pass to review, which I did. It's pretty good. Launch. What is the number on it? It's a 919E. It has a camera, lights, all kinds of stuff. Here is the connector. So let's use it today. So you hook. This connector is asymmetrical, so you have to pay attention how you are inserting it. And you put it in, all the way in. And only after that you will be putting ignition on. It should be not connected or disconnected with ignition on, right? So now I have to put it on. The unit itself is fully charged. I press the button. You can see it a little bit here. And only after that, when it will wake up, I believe it's pretty quick, we will put that ignition on. Now let's see how fast it is. I don't use it daily, so I just keep it in the switch off mode. That was super fast. And now it's trying to scan the vehicle, but it cannot because the ignition is not on. Now it's on, and it better finds what we are dealing with. Hopefully you can see it, guys. It's reading the vehicle info. Input win. I don't want to input win. Skip. This vehicle does not support automatic detection. I don't believe so. I will give it one more time. Auto detect. Okay, bye-bye lunch. I brought my own, purchased with my own money, auto, which is way older, but way more expensive. Let's see what this will do for us. Ignition on. Let's see what this will do. Toyota. Automatic selection. Read the VIN. Let's see if that other scanner was correct, that it cannot automatically read it. I never had that happen. It always did its work in the past, so I don't know what's up. See? This one read it. Oh yeah. It's asked which one year. I believe I told you 2005, correct? It's a Corolla. Everything is here. I just confirm yes. Look at it. I guess the gifts are not always the best, don't you think? I hope you don't see any glare in it. And I will keep it live. You know, we can go for this with auto scan. Let's scan everything and see completely what's happening. If there's more codes in different computers, we can write it down for the owner. He's concerned about the airbag, but it doesn't matter. You see, SRS airbag, 2 faults. I hope you can read it. I'm just afraid of the glare. Occupant detection, And look, we are done. So this is older vehicle. Very simple in comparison with the car which is only 1 year old and will have probably 30 or 40 computers. We have only 5 here. So now what is in that airbag? This is our main target. The ECU controls the detonator for airbag inflation when the crash sensor detects it. Little explanation. Yes, we want to see trouble codes. Now look at it. It's a current and a history. So I bet you that means if we will try to clear it, it will not happen. And it will be the hard code. It was stored B1118 D squib dual stage second step circuit open. In my opinion, we have a broken clock spring in the steering wheel. That will be, in my opinion, the answer to that. Let's play with it immediately and try to clear it. Ignition on and engine off, that's correct. And I bet you it's a hard code, it will stay. See that? Didn't erase it, it's still there. Okay, we have an answer for it, airbag light. This is very common and it will be a problem right here. Let's get out of here and out of curiosity. See, it rereads the codes. I hope you can see it. I hope I'm successfully eliminating the glare. Let's just look at that occupant detection. Way different story, huh, with this auto than the other scanner. I'm sorry to say that, because in past that other scanner was fantastic. It was working great. I used it even on that Mercedes-Benz, which you can see right here. And it was compatible with it, and it will read exactly the same way like this auto. I guess it's not in the good mood today. We have a B1771. It's in the history. Passenger buckle switch circuit. Buckle. Passenger. It's probably this one, I'm assuming. Let's go and try to clear this one. What do you say? Am I able to clear it? Since it's history only. If you said yes, I will agree with you. So I'm glad I'm not pausing it. I want to show you how it works when we work on the cars. Look at it. It already rescanned itself. and just gave us result. There's no more problem in that circuit, and the computer was able to remove it from the history. It's no more stored. If I will drive this vehicle around and come back and rehook the scanner, I will not find it there. This is done. So we cannot erase that airbag, and we have an answer. You can do and follow the diagnostic charts by Toyota, but I will tell you, in 99.9% of the cases, you don't have to do that. This is a typical wear and tear on the vehicles. This brakes, we did at Toyota dealer when I worked there, so many. It's basically like a airbag clock spring factory. When you get these codes, you just go for it. You are not wasting time trying to follow the diagnostic chart and measuring the voltages and so on. Many of you will maybe disagree. I don't care. I'm going to order part for this, and I'm going to replace it probably in different video. To finish this one, we have a results. I cannot get rid of it, so I will escape. Yep, there is a little okay. Yes, I want to escape. I want to exit. I will just get out of this vehicle. Please, if you do use these, do it always. There's no rush. It takes just less than 1 minute. Only after that, I'm going to turn off completely the ignition, and only after that, please don't just pull on this when the ignition is on. These are safety procedures. Only after that I can disconnect. Now this worked out pretty easy for us. That should be a short video, as you can see, if you have the right tools. If you will have the cheapest excuse me, tiniest code reader, it might not read the airbag codes, but if you have a correct tool, it will. I got that other scanner as a sample. As I said, it worked always. Today didn't. I wanted to promote it, and I guess I'm not, but I want to be truthful. I want to show you all of it. I made different videos which you could see it was working perfectly, and as I said, even on that Mercedes-Benz, these are complicated modern cars. I used them actually side by side, and the scanners were giving me the same results. I'm going to separate this as two different videos. It will be too long. I'm going to call for the part right now, get it, and I will try my best to film that replacement, every single little detail with the safety precautions and so on. So I hope you like this one as a diagnosis. If you like it, please give it a thumb up. And be subscribed and have that notification so you don't miss the future videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting this channel. And have a great day, my friend.